Okay guys, I finally have another project in the pipeline. My wife and I have just purchased this scout hall. It's on just under 1,600 square meters. The hall itself is about 350 square meters, and we're going to renovate it into a house. So we're going to put a 4-bedroom house with an office, living room, lounge room, home theatre and pool room. And then outside we'll probably put in a pool and a massive lawn area. So this is a bit of a different renovation because the structure is mostly here. All we're going to be doing is putting a lot of internal walls up. So because we're just renovating this and the structure's already here, we're going to be fitting out all new internal walls, 200 square meter grassed area outside, 8x4 swimming pool, all new walls, all new ceilings. The only thing that you're going to see from this place right now, once it's complete, is actually the floors. We're going to keep the floors because they're absolutely beautiful timber floors, and then stain it in a color that suits the rest of the house. We'll go through just general earthworks. We'll go through putting in a fiberglass swimming pool, the plumbing for the swimming pool. I don't know how many numbers I'm doing, but anyway, I'll give you a walkthrough now so we can see the before and after, and we'll go through all the different positions and what's going to be happening. It'll be a 6-meter wide driveway heading down there and going to a garage next to the house there. This is my sight dog, Rat. So just before we head down to the entry, the garage is going to end up here. We'll have access to the house through that door there. All of this will be reclad above. So in line with the shed here, going along, there will be a deck coming out to about here, and then the garage behind that. And then in front of the deck here, there, that's the side of the pool. And then that pool will go to, you can only just see it still. Bit of spray paint there, and then we'll have a spa almost hanging off the edge. So the pool will be in that position here, 2 meters off the fence and about 2 meters off the house. It's so that when you're in the pool, you're looking at that beautiful view there. I'm standing in the pool now, so from here going all the way to the about 2 meters off that back wall will be all grass, just 200 square meters of grass. I'm not sure if I'm going to go real turf or fake turf at the moment. I'm just weighing up the prices. So I've already got all my stuff in here. This is the underside. I'm going to change it into a home theatre. What I'm thinking is chairs up the back here, screen on this side here. That's going to be just closed off for the underhouse access. Then I was thinking a billiards table between those two posts there and there, pretty well where the mic is. And then something like piano, pinball table, and sort of arcade machines. So there's going to be a little batch pad down the bottom here. Then heading out from there, you'll go out the door, up some stairs. You end up upstairs by the deck. So this is it at the moment. We're going to be putting in, basically, we're going to be putting in new window, new window, new window, new window, new window, new window, new window. It's going to be completely changed, completely reclad. So we walked down just down there before, and this will be the entry. We're going to lift the entry up, raise the ceiling right up and make a grand entry. Heading inside, it's just going to be a massive entry room basically. There's an existing toilet. This doorway will be bricked up, and this one here will have a new door cut into it, so it will have access from around here where you can see that blue X. You'll go into this bathroom and there will be something like a bath on the back wall and a shower in this corner here. At the moment, it's just a single toilet. So heading from there, go across. This will be the laundry. Heading in, all these mid-wall will get cut out. That rear wall will get cut out and turned into a door, and all of the laundry appliances will be against that wall there. Heading back out of there again. This is going to have a door cut through here, and this whole room is going to be a pantry. So absolutely massive pantry. And then this doorway is going to get bricked up, and then there's going to be a guest WC or a guest toilet put in the gap, and then another door put on this end here. Okay, so heading into the house, I have taped everything out on the ground. The white tape is what we're looking at, the blue tape is not. So we'll enter into a partial hallway here. So there's an entry just in front of Rat here for the hallway, and then there's bedroom on the left. And then going along the hallway, another bedroom on the left. Going along the hallway, another bedroom on the left, and then straight into the master at the end, which will have a walk-in robe behind it. And then the hallway turns right, and then the ensuite behind the walk-in robe. And this door is behind the office. I'll show you that in just a second. So that's going to continue, the hallway is going to continue into that door and then hard right. So going back from the entry into this is going to be the end of the hallway. It will actually be an open door so you can pass straight through it all, but you'll be able to walk through here, and behind this door, these will both be ripped off and cut open, and it will just be a continued hallway. And in here, we'll have a wall come out of that one there, and off of that wall there, and then a door into this room. So going on from there, there'll be a single toilet hiding in this little cavity here with a new wall put in front of that. Straight into the right is a huge kids' TV room. We're gonna have this skylight fully exposed so you can see the tree outside. Heading on from there, dining room table in blue. And then to the left, door to pantry. This entire wall is going to go. It's not structural, it's not holding anything, it's just a partition wall. And then from the door to the pantry, fridge, cupboard, kitchen, and then a kitchen island bench coming back. And then over in this corner back here, we'll have the living room in all of that. Then coming off the end of the kitchen, you will see this door, and that's going to be the door out to the garage. We're going to end up with 3-metre ceilings and 350 by 350 bulkheads in every bedroom. So that's it. I'll be making a lot more videos on this. They'll be more individual. So one about the carpentry, one about the plumbing, one about the pool, etc. If there's anything I've missed that you're curious about, please let me know, and I'll try to include it in the next videos. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, bye.